What's good, YouTube? On this nice, beautiful day, it's about to go down. We grilling. We in the midst of Lauren the Civic. Got my nigga Tino in here.
What up? What
nigga
do?
Neat. My nigga James Harden.
Just not rich.
Yeah.
I'll still fuck your bitch.
Damn, the battery about to die, but we gonna continue. We gonna pick up on another camera until we're done, until the battery done charging. So we'll be back with you guys in a second.
The boot won't fit with that. It'll
We not Hacker Garage, but we get it in.
It'll squash it, and then the spring won't be.
Right, it won't go down.
Put that on the bottom. That way they don't see it on the top. Save those though, just in case you need them. Oh, mine went right in, dog. Yeah.
Hell no. You mad, bro?
Yeah, I'm mad.
Why, bro? Why are you mad?
No job, no girl.
Tino got jokes this morning.
Alright, let's put it in. Come on. Hey, you're forgetting a piece, bro.
Look at this man. You not gonna button your pants up?
You know, put on these motherfuckers, bro.
Fuck
Damn.
You gonna take them off? I told you. You didn't get the tip, no fucking buttons on, bro. I told you right here, dog.
Put it over there.
Fender coming soon.
Look.
I mean, we finna put the fender on, get it prepped for paint, and you know, we do paint, so you guys will be seeing that also. We're lowering it.
Child support springs.
Support springs.
Alright, let's line her up.
Yeah, you know, Jack.
Fuck y'all.
Where you get them from? Nico done stole my fucking sweatpants. Them yours?
A year.
Them mine, ain't they?
Yeah.
I was looking for them with the pockets on the
Working no
side.
bitches. You hear me? I always throw them on my pants and work.
Yeah. You got the other piece in too, right? Let me see it. Nigga, you don't even got the top part on.
What piece? You didn't get the fucking piece, motherfucker. You said screw it on. What other piece you have, motherfucker?
I gotta go see this fucking sheet of metal.
Yeah, that ain't shit.
Hey, ain't tripping.
What
I
do you?
was gonna do 150 and my feet go through the floor.
What it was on the?
bump.
It was on the what's the name? It was on the pinch wheel.
You could be Nick Bishop, bro, all day, bro.
Oh.
Dude, fuck the lock. Look, Devontae never liked this shit. After he hand tightened it. Everybody, look, him up there, look, he hand tightened this shit.
I don't know why he's doing that. Car never had a car. He don't know get
Hell nah. Bro, he had at least like two. The Firebird, you remember? He took me for a ride. I put my seatbelt and his seatbelt on. I was like, what the fuck, Carl? What you cutting off? That centerpiece?
plastic because we don't need it.
That's the old one though, right? Oh, we still gotta use the old one?
Hey, ain't the gas about to shoot up? You gonna hold it, you gonna hold it once it
With pliers, yeah.
with pliers, got you.
Oh shit, he
Is that
finna kill
right?
somebody. I remember on the red car we had to go to Walmart. They fixed that motherfucker that time.
Inject this front up.
Yeah.
All right, let's put the back. So this all tight down here, right?
Yep.
Okay. All right, thanks, bro. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
What?
It's not for short rims.
Damn, boy. I know we got me.
I like these shorts. God damn it. I kind of like these damn black shorts. Now I'm kind of impressed.
hell no. What's good, YouTube? This be your boy Poke.
Hey, those Carl.
Yeah.
Hit the locks, those locks across from each other. You hear me? Do you got your drill with you?
Yeah, it's in the car.
Let me drill.
Hey, bro. So tell them what's gonna happen once you get it just right.
You mean once I break the plastic?
Yeah.
I gotta stick these vice grips in there to hold this so this don't spin.
So then we can disassemble it.
Yep.
So we got that apart.
About the third person told me when I told him I was selling a little bit.
Remember, leave that up to professionals messing with springs. He been doing this for a while, guys. You know what he's doing. Maybe if you untighten it.